Salutations, second graders, and welcome to Phonics, Lesson 10 of our mobile learning platform. Today's lesson is page 148 in our Phonics packet. It has pictures of fish on it, and we're going to be working with some special sounds. Go ahead and get that in front of you now. Here we are, friends, with our paper, with our paper in front of us. We are going to match the clue word with its sound. So you know how to do these. Remember, the clue words are the words that are on our cards in the classroom. You know these very well, and they are also on our charts. So if you need help, you can go through your handbook for reading. But we should know these by now. So we have baby, which would be what? The E in baby, Y. So we just match it up. I'm going to let you do the rest of those. Let's read the rest of our directions. And then today's work will be independent. And if you'd like to do it with me, you can stay tuned. Okay, we're going to write 2 words for each sound. Guys, you have to come up with your own 2 words that have the same sound as the S in city, the S in city, the J in giant, and the J in fudge. So, can you think of a sound that has the same S in city sound? Bicycle. Very good. So we would just write down bicycle. Okay, I think you've got the hang of those. So I'll let you finish those ones on your own as well. And then let's move down here. We're going to mark each word that does not rhyme. So let's listen. Remember, a rhyme sounds the same where? Emma? All words that rhyme sound the same at the end of the word. Good job. All right, so we have place, lace, fracture, and face. Which word doesn't work there, Max? Fracture. Listen. Place, lace, face, mace, trace. All of those rhyme. They sound the same at the end of the word. So you'll work on the rest of those on your own. Go to number 4, and we're going to underline the root words. Circle the suffixes. So everybody underline where it says root words and circle suffixes so you remember that there's 2 steps to each one. So the word decided, if we followed the directions, we would underline what? Sean. Underline decide and circle the suffix ed, right? Decided. Now the E that we circled with the D is part of the suffix because remember our rule, when the E is silent, we drop the E to add the suffix ed. Okay, friends, if you think you've got it, stop the video, go ahead and do your paper, and then if you want, you can check it with me later. If you want to finish the paper with me, let's go back to the top and we'll work on it together right now. So if I look at the next word here under baby, I have fly. Fly is the I in fly, Y, right? And then we have the I. Pay attention to the markings, friends. Smiley face says the short vowel sound. So we have the crystal. Then we have giant. What special sound do you hear in the word giant? Is it the the s, or the j? Very good. It's the j sound. And then we have the city. Well, we know that that's the same sound as an S. It's the soft C. Sorry, friends. I was covering it. I'm sorry. All right, moving on. We have the verse, and it's the sound. All right, give me another S word. S in city. Quincy. Okay, write it down. And I also like the word ice. How about for J in giant? Can you give me a J in giant? Sierra. Okay, that's a good one. I like the word page. And how about the word gentle? Gentle. All right, second graders, now we need a J in fudge. So we have, what do you like for those ones, guys? How about the word bridge? And can you think of one other word that has the J in fudge? All right, let's do it. Judge. We could also have said pledge. Can you think of any more? If you do, you can write them down, okay? All right, friends. Now we're gonna find the rhyming words. I have the words germ, firm, worm, and warm. Which word does not work there? Reagan. Warm is not gonna work there. Very good. Then we have bridge, madge, midge, and fridge. Which one doesn't work there, please? Caesar. Madge. And boys and girls, what about Clay, Nancy, Fancy, Clancy? What doesn't work for us there? Kylie. Clay. Very good. Because we have the Nancy, Fancy, Clancy. They all have the same sound at the end of the word. Now, okay, friends, we have some practice with root words and suffixes. What are we going to underline in the word choices? Well, we're going to do choice to the C because we would have dropped the E, so we have to circle the ES, the S suffix. All right, forceful, underline the word force, circle full. Racing, how are we gonna do racing, Tino? Underline the RAC, circle the ING. Good job. Faces, underline FAC, circle the suffix ES. Good job, second graders. Keep going. Underline the PAG for page and the ES for pages. Guys, remember our rules. If it's a silent E at the end of the word, we drop the E to add the suffix, right? So aging would be the AG, circle the ING. Staged would be STAG, circle the ED. Wages, we underline the WAG, circle the ES. Caged, we'll underline the CAG and circle the ED. Second graders, you're doing a great job. We have badges. Underline the BADG, circle the ES. Dodged, underline to the G, circle the ED. Wedges, underline to the G, circle the ES. How about pledging? Bradley, underline to the first G and circle the ING. Very good. And then bridges, we'll underline to the G, circle the ES. Second graders, that does it for our phonics today. I want you to have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, friends.